Hi guys, so this right here is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Sawzall. I got it on sale at Home Depot. It's normally $200, but I got it for $120, which is a great deal. Now looking at the saw, it looks pretty standard. There are some unique features though, like a hook here, which lets you hang the saw on a rafter or anything really, and that's convenient when you're working. And there's also an interesting way that they hold the blade. My last Sawzall, you had to reach in there and twist. This one has a simple lever, and that makes it easy to change blades. The shoe adjustment is also tool-free, which means there's no hex key to lose. The safety switch actually works. Some cheap saws, the safety switch tends to get stuck, which is obviously unsafe. So, yeah. The saw handles really well. It just feels very comfortable with the rubber overmolding. So let's try cutting something. So here I have a scrap of redwood 4x4 clamped up. I'm using a regular wood cutting blade. Let's cut. It's impressive watching how fast that blade just tears through this piece of scrap lumber. This is a really fast saw. It's comparable to the corded ones. Just like that, we cut right through this 4x4. So this saw clearly has some power. And here's some footage from an older video I made about cutting cast iron pipe. This is 3-inch service weight cast iron. It's common in older buildings. And all that brown smoke you see is just the rust on the pipe becoming airborne as tiny particles. I'm using a diamond cutting blade specifically made for cast iron, and it ripped through the pipe in about 1 minute, which is very impressive. It's really fast. Yeah, so after using this saw for more than 6 months, I can say that I really recommend it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have a link to buy it in the description, and see you all next time.